Do you know that hidden deep within the mystical forests of Ghana, the mighty Asante kingdom wielded herbs not just to heal, but to stop bullets, silence curses, and conquer spiritual warfare? That ancient warriors of Asantemen didn't just trust in swords or muskets, but in sacred roots and divine leaves to shield their souls and bodies from both physical and unseen attacks. In this captivating episode of Black Stories Untold, we take you into the forgotten botanical vault of the Asante Kingdom, a realm where leaves whispered prayers, roots held secrets of the ancestors, and bark was brewed into potions strong enough to protect a man from gunfire and witchcraft. The Asante, more than just warriors, were deeply spiritual strategists. They knew that war was not just flesh and blood,